In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add comments to your Wix blog. This is a great way to encourage interaction and engagement with your readers and create a more dynamic and community-focused space on your website. Let's dive right into this step-by-step guide. First, you'll need to access your Wix website editor. If you're not already there, go to your Wix account and select the site you want to edit. Once you're in the editor, you'll see a variety of tools and options on the left-hand side of the screen, all designed to help you customize your site to fit your needs. Next, locate and click on the Apps option in the side menu. This is your gateway to the Wix app market, where you can find a multitude of tools to enhance your website's functionality. It's like a treasure trove of features just waiting to be discovered. Once you're in the Apps section, you'll want to find the Wix blog. To do this, simply click on the search bar and type in Wix blog. It's a straightforward yet crucial step. By doing so, you're making sure to bring up the specific app you need to enable comments on your blog posts. After the Wix blog appears in your search results, you're going to click on it to access its settings. By doing this, you open up a new world of possibilities for your blog. With the blog app open, you'll be able to tweak and modify how your blog functions, making it a more interactive space for your visitors. Now, with the Wix blog selected, look for the Open button and give it a click. This action will open the settings for the Wix blog, allowing you to start configuring the options to enable comments on your posts. It's about getting everything set up so that your audience can start their discussions. Once inside the blog settings, you'll want to find the option to enable comments. Look for the comment counter setting and tick the box next to it. This enables readers to view and add comments to your blog posts easily. It's as simple as that. By ticking this option, you encourage community interaction, allowing visitors to engage with your content and with each other, adding richness and depth to your blog. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a comments section to your Wix blog. It's an incredibly effective way to make your blog more interactive and engaging for your audience. So now go ahead, publish your blog, and watch as your community starts interacting and sharing their thoughts. That's all for today's tutorial. I hope you found this guide helpful and can apply these steps to make your blog a hub of conversation. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one.